What's going on? This is a quick tutorial for how to do the swing cut. So this is a really easy move to learn how to do. So what you're going to do is you're going to grab the deck like this between your thumb and your middle finger, and then your index finger is going to be free. So then what you're going to do is you're going to place your index finger on and split the deck into kind of like a 2/3, 1/3, and then using your index finger, you're going to rotate it out to the side. And then what you're going to do with your other hand, your free hand, is reach across, kind of stick it into this fleshy part of your hand here, and just reach across with your thumb and grab that packet and slide it across. And then you can keep on lifting up a new packet and just grab it again, like so. So slowly pinch it, lift it up, swivel it out, grab it, and then sped up. Looks like this.
All right, I know I went through that pretty quick, so if you have any questions, feel free to leave a comment down below and I'll try to get back to you. Thanks for watching. See ya.